marker through the maze.
Okay.
Read the words.
So this is
Draw
the
a
word
line through
families.
the words that
An.
end in
So
an.
ma-an, okay, is where you're gonna start at, and then you're gonna go to ba-an, and then what is this? Fa-an, and the next one is ra, ra-an, ran. Let me see. Okay, look, you have to
Wow, you did it all by yourself.
So you're only gonna go with the words that are end with an, okay? So we're gonna fix it. Okay, so then press that.
Okay, then I know what to
And
read.
then get the pizza in the oven. Did you cook the pizza?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Good job. Is it a pizza?
Trace the lines
That's
to
just
match the food
bitter.
items with the tasty words on the tongue.
Bitter, sour, salty, sweet.
Excellent.
Excellent! Wow, okay. Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!